video, but first let's start this video off with a prayer. And today's prayer is, Dear God, I can admit that I'm not always the best at fully letting go of situations that I can't control. When my world comes crashing down, I often get into survival mode. I try to control and change what you are already working on for me. I don't want to get in the way of your work any longer, so Lord, today I humbly ask that you help me truly rely on you. Instead of stressing about things that you are working out for my own good, show me how to redirect my energy towards a positive outcome. You have never forsaken or left me in a situation that I couldn't see my way out of. For that, I will always be grateful. No matter how in control I may think I am, you always show me that you can and will always move mountains for my well-being. I am getting out of your way while thanking you endlessly. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So I pray that prayer blesses you guys today. Welcome you guys to Vlogmas Day 8. I actually just finished closing out Vlogmas Day 7. And I just finished picking the kids up from school. It's Friday, my favorite day of the week. I look forward to Fridays. Well, Friday evening. And then the weekend starts. But the weekend goes so fast, I feel like we don't really get a weekend, you know? But tonight, John and I have to go to the gas station to get some gas station gifts for this Sunday's small group gift exchange. Wish me luck with that. I don't know what to get. One of you guys gave me the idea to get like lottery tickets, so that's actually not that bad. That was a good idea, so I'll probably end up doing that too. So we do like John exchanges a gift with another guy, and then I exchange a gift with another female, and the kids in their age group get to exchange gifts or gift cards, which I'm thinking I'm going to do gift cards for the kids, like Robux or something like that, if they have that available. But yeah, so, and David and I might be baking some cookies later. So the goal is handle what we need to handle and then bake tonight as well. I haven't been baking as much as I would like, but I've been so busy. I hardly been home, to be honest. We're making his favorite cookies, which is the white chocolate chip cranberry cookies. We love it. Well, that's his favorite. We love those cookies, but I only normally make it around Christmas time. So we're making it today, and I might make a double batch, I might not. We'll see. Have you guys been watching Alex Cross on Amazon Prime? If you haven't, watch it, the new one. I love it. It is so good. No, funny fact, I really don't watch a lot of action-packed type of shows, but those are the type of shows John loves to watch. But I'm like, everyone keeps raving about it, so let me watch it. We're addicted. There's only 8 episodes, y'all, season 1, but we're almost done with episode 7. I couldn't keep my eyes open last night. And then we're gonna watch also episode 8. So good, I recommend it. Perfect show to watch by yourself or with a spouse. We also watched the documentary on Netflix called Buy Now. Very good documentary. It's about overconsumerism and what happens to things when you shop from different places and what ends up happening to them and how it affects the planet, and like Amazon, Shein, food, shoes, everything. Watch it. It's really good, and it puts things into perspective. So I recommend that as well. I haven't hardly been able to watch Hallmark Christmas movies, which is my favorite thing to do. I just don't have time. Hopefully I get to do that this weekend. We'll see, because this is a jam-packed weekend. So hopefully I get to watch something. All right, y'all. So I wanted to show you guys my press-on nails. These are press-ons. I just did them last night while I was watching Alex Cross. It took me maybe 20 minutes. And these are from the BT Art Box. I'm going to link them down below if you guys would like to try this out. I love it. I gotta do it Black Friday. There was 11 on Black Friday. I think the price of course went up, but these are so pretty and perfect for the season. I love it. So I figure you guys will like it as well. But BT Art Box is such a great brand of press-on nails. These usually last me about 2 weeks. And that's because after a while I just get sick of them and change them out for something else. Also, I get asked all the time how I do the fireplace in the TV. I also got the fireplace on my kitchen counter. I just love it. I don't have now one fireplace in my house, but I just love the vibe that it gives off. Some of them come with jazz music too. You just go on YouTube. You type in fireplace screensaver or Christmas screensaver or Christmas vintage art screensaver. Basically, Santa screensaver, mounted screensaver, anything you can think of. Just put the word screensaver in it and you will find it on YouTube. And some of these play for 24 hours or just goes on for days, or some of them just play for just 2 hours and it changes to something else. Or I just love it. I love the vibes. Some of them, sometimes like if I want like a relaxing evening, I'll play the ones with like the fireplace and it has like jazz music playing. I love it. All right, y'all, so right here I just put all the naan bread on here. These are minis, they're not that big. Brought out some bacon crumbles. I don't know. Most likely I already know Destiny. She's gonna do the pizza sauce with the pepperoni and cheese. Got this from Aldi today. And then we have roasted chicken that I still have in the fridge. David, most likely this is the one he's gonna do with. So basically you put down some Alfredo sauce. You know, homemade sauce is always the best one, but for stuff like this comes in handy. So you put down the Alfredo sauce and then you add some roasted chicken, maybe some bacon crumbles in there, and some mozzarella cheese. Let me see if I have Italian seasoning on top so it could be extra. Do I see Italian seasoning? I know I have it. Oh, right in front of my face, man. Anyways, so I got some of that, and then sometimes I like to do a little sprinkle, or they could do a little sprinkle of garlic powder. So let's do a little bit of that too, just for the extraness of it all.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy. Right here by the Christmas tree is where I'll hold my breath to, but he won't know what hit him. See me standing there, the world will disappear and he will man up. So let this mistletoe moment.
Their work of art. You ready, David? Do you want to put it in the oven for 15 minutes, I think? Okay. John is home. He's talking to Margarita on the phone, but I'm also having pizza tonight, and it's the lean cuisine pizza. It's actually very good. I also added some garlic powder on there. It's 390 calories, but 21 grams of protein. 21 grams of protein, so it is very good, delicious, but also, you know, on the leaner side. So this is my dinner for tonight. Say hi to Margarita.
Hello, everyone.
Let me see your tree, Margarita.
Oh, you want to see my tree?
Yeah, 'cause I see something sparkly in the background. Ooh, it's shiny.
We got a brown and chocolate brown and caramel tree this year.
Ooh, it's pretty. I love it. Who decorated it?
Sugar.
Okay. Milani. She did good.
And we did the birds.
Let me see.
They like the birds.
Oh, they also, oh, I love it. It gives off like Winter Wonderland, like woodland theme.
Yeah, and then we did the
Let me see.
this side.
Pretty. I see the angels and the snowmans.
and those vanilla wafers.
Yum. Do y'all eat it or y'all just have it there for decoration?
Oh, it's gonna be there to be eaten.
Of course. We already know.
And that's all we've done so far.
Oh yeah? That's good enough.
Haven't done a lot.
That's all right.
We're just trying to get ready.
For Christmas.
I'm changing my kitchen around to Schmeg. Anyone that knows Schmeg, I'm getting ready to get I have the Schmeg toaster.
Uh-huh.
I'm getting ready to get the Schmeg espresso.
Nice.
And I have the Drew Barrymore tea kettle.
Oh, yes, yes. I actually want to get that too.
Yeah, I have the one with the long neck. I like the long
Yeah,
neck.
I like that one too. That's actually my favorite one. I might end up getting that because the one we have is starting to leak and stuff. We've had that for a few years now.
Yeah, I got the long neck. And that's basically all for right now. I haven't decorated the dining room. That's coming. So I'll make sure.
Please show us.
Dining room. I'll do that. But yeah, so we're just working on this part.
Just
So-
do it before Christmas.
Like Christmas.
How Savannah like the decorations? I know she loved that Christmas tree.
Yes, she've already tilted the tree over and she took
What?
the bulbs off the tree. And she said, Gigi, look, come, show you. So we fixed it. I think, Lonnie, you took a picture of the tree. We call it the Leaning Tower.
That's so funny.
I'll send you a picture of the tree leaning. But
Oh.
yeah,
Good, good.
that's it. Oh, did you see my TV, the topper I did for?
Let me see. Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
And I used the noodle. The pool.
Yeah, the pool. You was telling me you was gonna do that for Christmas this year.
Yeah, it works perfect, really well.
I've seen like different variations of that too.
Yeah, I loved it. So, and working on my wreath for when you come into the kitchen,
Yeah.
working on that. So, yeah, trying to finish it all.
Well, when you're done, let's make sure you show us.
Happy birthday again, y'all. We're gonna have it on my foot. So that's the 27th of January. But I will not be able to walk at all. I have to use the little roller thing they said for January, February, and March.
Really?
So for my 60th birthday, we have to figure out what I can do because I can't fly.
Oh.
I was going to Vegas.
Again? She loved her some Vegas though.
Vegas.
Well, you're gonna have to
yeah.
find something else to do.
You do a skateboard.
Yeah,
Get
I'll
y'all
find
back in the car.
Don't listen to John.
No, don't listen to John. No, I can't. But love you guys and hope you all have a wonderful, blessed, Merry Christmas. And I want snow. No one else wanted, but
I want snow, but us getting snow is like pigs flying.
Oh yeah, let me tell you about Chester. Chester came up on the porch and played with Savannah,
What?
but I could not get to my camera for nothing.
Y'all remember Chester the squirrel?
Yes, he still live out here. He thinks he thinks he owns this house.
Oh my gosh. They're
Yeah.
so funny.
Get a picture. I'll show you all.
Please. Please and thank you. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys, John and I are on our way to the gas station, and look at this their house. I figured I'd show you guys the Christmas lights. They did so good. They always do blue every year, don't they, John? Or is it just me? It's so pretty. They go all out. They got a lot of property though, so they can do that. So pretty. Let me see if I can get closer. You guys, we just finished getting the gifts for the gas station receipt, but if you see my last vlog, you know I went to today technically I went to the car wash, right? I told you about the birds. Look at this. Look what they just did to my car again. What is it? Is it because the car is black?
Don't they supposed to have left already?
Birds? I mean, it's supposed to be in Florida or somewhere in the Bahamas. Like, I'm just wondering why they're here pooping on my car. I just washed it today. All right, y'all, so I take my earrings off. They were bothering me. We went in there. I didn't vlog in there because we were trying to concentrate hard. Okay, so we got 5 lottery tickets. or the scratch offs, right?
$5 ones.
That's what we got, right? For one gift, one of us, female or male. They didn't really even have much in there that could be a gift.